Morning guys. Start mo tayo fishing guys. So, I think this one is my second catch guys. It's not the big size. This is already starting. This is the first one I catching guys. See? Good morning everybody. Starting to fishing again. My spot, but only the nose guys is hit by hook. See that? Continuous na tayo guys. Mar, good morning. Happy Sunday today guys. Love you guys. I love you Mr. B. And Mami Linda and Anit Tomboy. Continuous na tayo guys. May dalawa na tayo. So, another fight dito. This one guys. Come on mama. Yes, following. Come on mama. Oh, this one another big mammoth guys. This in size, but not bad. Yeah. Alright. Green big guys. Nakatatlo agad tayo guys. Oh. It's pass. Ayan oh. 3 in the happy Sunday to guys. Let's go siglang. Please support and like guys. Papa Jerry Fishing guys. Almost every now. Alright, see. Na tayo guys, si Balo. Walang bal! Kuha na pala tayo guys. Yun. Init doon, grabe init doon. Grabe init. Hindi ko kaya. Ayan na guys, oh. At least naka-anim na tayo guys. Yung sakyan natin guys, oh. Kaya continuous lang natin. Dito na tayo upo guys. Alright. Sabi ni Bal guys, sa Burado doon, maganda doon. Sabi mo maganda doon, eh dito naman. Dito lang ko guys kasi kahit nga ano yan guys, mayroon pa tayong kuha dito guys. Palaki lang palaki guys, kasi lang muntik lang matanggal yung ano, yung bunganga niya oh.
Malapit na sila pagka ganyan lang ang tubig.
Yan. Okay na yan, not bad yan guys. Laki oh guys oh. Kibal oh. Ay siya bal. Ayan. Malit guys. Bal. The big malit. Kalali ya guys oh. Woohoo! Ayos ah. Ito naman sa atin guys. Hindi tayo papayag guys. Hindi tayo. Uy, nakawala pa yata guys. Ay hindi, andan na. Payag guys ah. Ayan oh. Ay maputi pala sa atin guys. Maputi yung sa akin. Kala ko banak din. Maputi pala. Tinsan tayo guys. Yan guys oh. Mama, mabigat to guys. Malaki to ah. Ay malaki-laki to guys. Ay guys oh. Mama. Ay laki guys oh. Yan oh, laki. Si Bal nandun guys oh. Pero dito lang tayo guys. At least yan na yung daan natin guys oh. Yan. Continue sa Papa Jerry. Alis mo guys, over sa 1 pound sa man yan guys. Right? Again guys, oh. Laban lang. Mr. B, laban lang. Ayos mo. Laban lang laki guys. Okay na yan guys. Malaki ulit guys, oh. Laki ulit. Guys, balik. Kita niyan guys ang tiktik guys. Kahit anong laki guys. You release the dragon guys. See Mr. Balgas still there. It's a big size of the mallet is catching. But tayo guys, Papa Joy continues lang guys. Yan ang huli natin guys sa araw nitong umaga ng Sunday. Happy Sunday guys. Let's go lang guys. Oh, action na. Saan ka na? Saan ka na? Oh, action na. Puta na. Iba pala na. Ibang nadali. Sa tiyan na nadali. Ate. Baka malaki. Saan ba yan? Yan na. Ayan guys, oh. Malaki yata guys. Yun, oh. Sa tapat lang natin. Hindi naman tama-tama lang laki. Kaya kung malaki-laki ka. Okay guys, time to go home. Si Mr. Baldi ila guys, oh. Ayan. Master maputi yan guys. Ang laki na kuha yung malit guys. Kaya tayo naman wala tayong oras guys kasi 11 eh. Yatid ko pa si Mrs. sa trabaho ya guys. Kaya Mr. B 11:10 na. Kaya oras na pag uwi, baka after nun guys i-come back and then titin na may video guys. By the way guys, please only like and subscribe guys if you have time. You're willing to subscribe or like, right? And this is my cat. There's a lot of video today guys, and almost every day I'm fishing. And this is my cats again. Yeah, see, that's one I cast again guys. Maybe I check in the house again with this one. Alright, continuous natin sa bahay guys. Siwas ko lang. Alright pal, is it guys? Sunday, yesterday, different catching guys. Kaya ito naman, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14 lahat guys. At least mayroon tayong catching today, in Sunday. After this one, drop my wife. And maybe like 1 o'clock, I come back that place again. At least another catching guys. Or maybe relax a little bit. Okay, thank you for watching guys. Please don't forget to like and subscribe guys, please. And God bless you guys. I love you mama. And I love you mama in the sea. And my darling California with Omar guys. See you soon guys. At least mayroon tayong kuhuli ngayon sa araw na ito.